Hi guys, Moi, welcome back to the channel. So let's go react on Unu. This is titled, okay, no, this is Unu and Little Birds. So let's go check this out. He's sleeping. Is that eyeshadow on his face? Oh, alarm cannot even wake him up.
Onpa ihana aamu. Ja pikkulinnut laulaa. Uuno, pidätkö sinä pikkulinnuista?
No, that he's still sleeping.
Uuno!
Is the way he stood
Kysyn,
up.
pidätkö sä pikkulinnuista?
Se
Depends on the sauce.
riippuu kastikkeesta.
Oh my god.
Esimerkiksi tommonen
For example,
punatulkku muhennus, se on oikein.
he's just answering off points.
Valintti maaliskuussa seuraava vuonna. Vaikka eipä silti joskus on oikein hauska haukata haukkaakin.
He's literally answering off points. Of course, that he just woke up from sleep, and you can imagine how he woke up like. Anyways, this was fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you guys so much, and see you in my next one. Bye.